Hello traders, today is Tuesday, September 6th. This is an intraday video showing you as it's happening, what's going on, and the opportunities that exist for us as traders in the futures markets. E-mini, S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, those markets are really good to trade right now. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Let's not trade with funds. You cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker. There are risks involved with trading. So when you take a look here at the market for today, we have the market taking a big nosedive, and it may continue lower, and if we have a complete reversal, we should know that by about 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock New York time. But for right now, the market is continuing lower. And if you remember the last couple of videos, for the last maybe 5 or 6 videos, I've been mentioning that the market needs to go lower. Please go back and review those videos where I mentioned that the market is and needs to go to a support level before it continues to go higher. So we're in this bearish type of activity. And let me show you, for example, what we've been looking at DayTradeToWin. If you take a look here at the market is continuing to go lower. And I am anticipating that it is and needs to go at least another 100, if not 200 points before finding some type of support. Now, if we go back to being a day trader intraday, usually a 1-minute chart or a 5-minute chart, and what we have here is as soon as the market opened, it just took a big nosedive. And you can see by all the Trade Scalper signals to go short, we just have one long signal here, which I doubt very much you'd get filled on. But again, we're going to focus on shorts and selling the market until, let me just show you here, something changes. And I need something to show me. I need proof that the market is changing direction and going back up. So I'm going to add here the DayTradeToWin Atlas line, and it's here in the list of indicators. For those of you who have the DayTradeToWin list of indicators mentorship or just the Atlas line, you can find it there, and we don't have to do any type of optimization. And here we have, again, here is the Atlas line in yellow, here is the signal to go short, and then let me just expand this here. We have all of the strength trades here additionally to go short, pullback trades, a pullback trade, a strength trade. So those S's and those P's are indicating more opportunities to sell. Now, until the market closes back above and continues back above the Atlas line, I'm going to focus on going short. We may even have what's called a bounce trade. And a bounce trade is when the market comes up, hits the Atlas line, can't continue, and then bounces off of it. So I'm going to be looking for that as well, a bounce off of the Atlas line to sell it. So these are all things that we could use as day traders to help us understand, should I buy, should I sell, why should I stay out of the market, why should I get into the market. Look at the ATR, the average true range down here. It's about 4 points, so each trade should be about 3.5 to 4 points as far as a target. You don't really want that to be much more for a stop, much more beyond that as well. So these are all the things that we teach at DayTradeToWin, how to look at price action. And of course, here I have the Trade Scalper and the Atlas line. If you have any questions, if you'd like to join the accelerated mentorship class where you get all the courses, all the software, lifetime licenses, including the roadmap, the At the Open, the Atlas line, the Trade Scalper, Blueprint, all of this software in one package at a reduced rate, give us a call, visit DayTradeToWin.com, and I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.